Payment unsuccessful Google Play. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will learn through the steps on how we can fix if our payment is unsuccessful on Google Play, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you're trying to purchase, let's say, a paid app or something like that, and then it simply says payment unsuccessful, the problem is most likely with your payment method. So what we're going to do is either you need to update your payment method, delete it and add it again, or try to use other payment methods. To do this, tap your profile icon from the top right of the screen here, and then go to this option here known as payment and subscriptions, and then tap on it. Once you go to payment and subscriptions, you can go to the option called payment methods, and if you have added a certain payment method, I would want you to first of all remove that payment method and then try to add other payment methods if you have. So if you have a certain payment method, you can select that, you can go to more payment settings and remove that, and you can choose to add credit or debit card and choose to add a secondary payment method. Or if all of your cards are not working for some reason, you can also buy it using a gift card code. If you have a gift card, you can use a gift card. But this is the final solution, because if none of the payment methods are working, you might want to contact your card provider as well. So hope this video helped you as to how you can fix payment unsuccessful on Google Play. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.